Have you ever created a Google form but need to tie it to Google Sheet or change the Google Sheet that it's tied to? So let's start in with connecting it to Google Sheet. So in the Google form, click on the responses right here, and then you'll see this link to Sheets. So if we click on this, it'll bring us to this option, create a new spreadsheet or select existing. So we're going to walk through both of these, but first of all, let's start with create a new spreadsheet. And so you can set the name here, or you can leave it as the default. And once you're done, go ahead and click on create. Then it's creating the spreadsheet right now. And then this one automatically opened it for us. And so this is where all the form responses would show up automatically from now on. Now, what happens if you accidentally linked it to the wrong sheet or you need to change it? So there's a couple of different options here. So first of all, we can always unlink a Google form from the Google Sheet, and that's through Tools, Manage Form, and Unlink. And that will sever the link from the Google Sheet. However, you can also do it in the Google form. And so here, again, if we're questions, settings, whatever, we go to the Responses tab. And when you see View in Sheets, it means there's a linked spreadsheet. So that's also a shortcut to get to the Google Sheet if you're already in the Google form. Or you can go to this 3 dots over here for more options, and you can either select destination to change it, or you can click Unlink Form from here. And so the Unlink Form just means it's no longer going to have a destination for those responses outside of the Google form itself. But you could select destination if you just want to change the destination. And so you can do the Unlink Form and then go ahead and relink. Or if you want to accomplish them in the same action, then just do select destination and it will unlink the form and relink it to the new one for you. So again, you can actually create a new blank one just like this, or you can select existing. And so you can see this little note here because it's currently linked. It's telling you it's currently being sent to this spreadsheet, just as a quick reference point. So this is what you see when you're reassigning versus if we unlinked it first, then it'll look like the initial one we had where it didn't have this option, just had create new or select existing. So now let's go ahead to select existing spreadsheet, click on select, and then we can pick one from here. And so we can pick, for example, this existing one and click insert. And now it's linking the spreadsheet linked. And so now I can go to view spreadsheet and it comes to this existing one. And now it's tied to here instead of here. So one thing you'll notice as well, a quick visual reminder, when you see this form icon on the left-hand side of the tab name or the sheet name, that means it's currently linked. But if you go back over here, that disappeared. It's no longer here. So this one's no longer linked to that Google form. So responses are no longer going to show up here. So one thing to keep in mind is if you already had responses here, it won't go back and delete them, but it will keep any more from showing up. All right, so that is it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe if this was helpful for you, and check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.